if f of x is equals to 2x squared minus 9x plus 5 and g of x is 4x minus 3, find f of g of x and g of f of x. Alright, so here's how we're going to do this. For number 1, what we're looking for is f of g of x. So let's start with the parent function in this case, which is f of x. Now I'll write f of x as it is. F of x is 2x squared minus 9x plus 5. Then in this f of x, so we're saying that this function must go into this function. So I'm going to replace x with g of x. So it will look something like this. So where I have this x here, I'll replace it with g of x, like that. And I'll continue the whole thing, which is equals to 2. I have another x here, so I'll replace this x with g of x, like this. Then I continue the whole thing, so minus 9x, so I have to replace this x as well. So this x will be replaced with g of x plus 5. So I've replaced every x with g of x. So now this is what happens next. My function now becomes f of g of x. This is what it means now, meaning that g has gone into f. So this is equals to 2. Now remember the function g of x is 4x minus 3. Then this is squared minus 9. Again, the function here is 4x minus 3, like that. Then there's a plus 5. So f of g of x will be equals to, so I'll expand this, so we'll say 2 here. So if I expand this bracket, this will be 4x minus 3 multiplied by itself, 4x minus 3 minus 36x, then 9 times 3 gives us 27 plus 5. So f of g of x, so now this will give us 2 multiplied by 16x squared. Then we will say minus 12x, another minus 12x if we expand, plus 9 minus 36x plus 32. Okay, so f of g of x will now be equals to, so 16 times 2, that is 32 x squared. Then 12 and 12 is 24, so 24 times 2 gives us 48x. 9 times 2, that's 18. Then here we have minus 36x plus 32. Alright, so if I group like terms, I have 32x squared. Then we have this 48, which is negative, as well as the 36, which is negative. So 36, 48 gives us 84. So I'll say minus 84x, and lastly, the 18 and the 32 will give us a 50. So I'll just say plus 50. So there we have it. That's the function we're looking for. Alright, so for the second one, we'll repeat the same process, but this time around, we're saying that we're starting with the function g of x. So g of x is the function 4x minus 3. So we're replacing x with f of x, like this. Same thing here, we're replacing x with f of x. So this means that now this becomes g of f of x is equals to, so 4, so replace f of x here. Now remember, f of x is 2x squared minus 9x plus 5, or this minus 3. So g of f of x will be equals to 8x squared. This gives us 36x plus 20 minus 3. So g of f of x will be equals to 8x squared minus 36x plus 17. So there we have it.